In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your Roku Streambar Pro set up. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is get everything out of the box, and when you do unbox it, this is all the components that you'll get inside the box. So go ahead and put your batteries in your remote control, and then go ahead and plug in your AC power adapter to give your Streambar some power. And then you have two other options. You can hook up the HDMI cable here, or you can hook up the optical cable here. So it's based on preference on which one you want to hook up. But go ahead and get those hooked up there, and we'll move on to the setup process on screen. Okay, once you turn on your TV and you go to the right HDMI input, this screen comes up here to get started. You select whatever language that you want it in. It starts to scan for your wireless networks, and then you just select your particular Wi-Fi. After you find your Wi-Fi, go ahead and enter in your Wi-Fi password. Once you enter in your Wi-Fi password, it'll start to look for your wireless connection. And then once it's connected, those check marks will be marked. Then you'll come to this screen here, and then it'll just do an update to get your Roku set up to the latest firmware software. You'll select OK, and then you'll just let it do its thing. Okay, after it updates, it does its little logo jumping video here. Okay, then you'll come to this screen here where it does an auto detect display type, where it just analyzes your HDMI connection to know if you have like a 720 or a 1080 or a 4K TV. So you just click or just hit OK. Okay, it realized that mine was a 1080 resolution. I'll go ahead and click to go automatic. Okay, so now the next step is it'll check your remote, and then you'll just hit OK. It'll ask if music is playing. Music is playing on mine, so I'll say yes, music is playing. And then it detects that the music has stopped, and then you'll just hit OK on yes, that the music has stopped. And if that works, it'll say success, your remote is now set up and paired. Okay, then you'll get to this screen here where you have to activate your Roku player, where you enter in your email address. Now, some people may question, do I have to do this? Can I just use it without entering in any information? The answer is no. You do have to set up a Roku account where you enter in your email address and credit card information. Now, they won't just charge your credit card willy-nilly without ever letting you know, so don't fear that, but you do have to enter one in there to get started. Oh, another quick little tip I noticed on this newer player here, it gives you a remote control battery life signal that pops up periodically, so that's kind of nice. It lets you know how much battery life you have on your batteries. Alright, so then go to this screen here to just enter in your email address and get your Roku account set up, or if you already have one set up, you just log in with your credentials. Okay, next it'll get to a screen where it does ask you to verify your email, so you can just jump over to your smartphone or a computer, click on that email to answer it, and then, for example, I'm on my mobile, I'll go ahead and fill in the rest of the information via my mobile to get the account set up. Okay, once you finish the steps on your mobile, it automatically updates on your TV, and it starts to pre-install any apps that you may have selected. Okay, once that's complete, it'll say all done. You just click over, and it takes you to your home screen here on your Roku. Okay, then it takes you to your Roku home screen here, where you just can click over, and here's all your different apps that you can watch. You'll have to get your account set up if you do have like Netflix or Hulu, Disney Plus. You have to enter in all your credentials, but yeah, this is the Roku. I do like their setup here, their platform. It's very user-friendly, easy to learn, just right out of the box. But yeah, this is how you get it all installed. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.